Let us delete columns using X and Y symmetry. We will use the multi-level column tool. We will be deleting columns which are at A2, F2, B1 and B6. Open the multi-level column manager. Select the X symmetry. Select A2 from the drop-down list. In the column type select None. Hit the OK button. Reopen the dialog box. Select Y symmetry. Select B1 from the drop-down list. In the column type select None. Hit the OK button. Observe the drawing. You can see, the columns at A2 and F2, B1 and B6 have been deleted. Very easy, isn't it?